All right, guys, welcome to the fourth day of the $30,000 TopstepTrader Combine. We have a scratch day, so no trade. We're closing the balance at $30,070.56. Actually, I shouldn't say no trade. We had one trade, and it was just a break-even trade. Let's take a look at the activity today. So it was a little bit of a quieter Monday. I thought that we might get a little bit more action, but it didn't really end up happening. So once again, let me get rid of the crosshair. The green line is the open and the red line is the lunch hour. We opened up, went sideways. We got one signal right over here. Right there. Right there. Let's remove it because it's not working out too well. I don't know why. Anyway, I'm sure you can see it right at the diamond. We moved down, got another signal up, and then that was it for the day. Let's look at our entry level chart and get a closer perspective. We opened right over here. We had a signal in the overnight, and we moved up as usual. And then we got a signal around 10 o'clock. And then that's when I started to get interested, right? Because I like to take the A, B, and then by the time we got to the C wave, which would have worked out nicely, we would have gotten our 20 ticks on that one. As you can see that I have the red line here, and that was already past the lunch hour, so I had just stopped trading. And then when I came back to make this video, it had worked out. So no trade in the CL today, but that's okay. We are getting a little bit of a slow start, but that happens. We'll get some slow days, some busy days, and it all works out in the end. Okay, so and let's take a look at the ES, where we had one trade there today. We opened right here. Let me get rid of the crosshair because it gets in my way. We opened right here. And then we got the signal around 10 o'clock. We went up, and then we just kind of fluttered around a bit. And once again, let's get a closer perspective. I drew my trend line because I saw the market coming down. We got a signal here because the price hit the Bollinger in the 12 range for the ES. Then it hit it here, and we started to move up. I got the A, the B, and then the C. Our entry and everything was fine. I entered right here, very nice entry. I saw 4 ticks, and then I moved my stop to break even because that is one of my rules. I see 4 ticks in the yes, and I move my stop to even. And then the market just came down and took us out at even. And then the next wave was a nice trade. This next wave right here was, you could tell by the price action that the bars just go up, 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 up. And then right at these lines right here, where you see the candle, the wicks are just kind of, they shoot up. And the bodies of the wicks are just, so how do I explain that in a way that makes sense? Anyway, you can see the price action just goes up, 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 and then it just flutters around. And you can see in this higher wave that there wasn't really whole lot of action. And so pretty unexciting day in both markets. But regardless, we executed this properly. And in this case, we just got stopped out at even. And as you've seen, there's some days that it will totally work, some days that it won't work, and just everything in between. But we are doing everything correctly, so this will work out beautifully. And that's pretty much it for today. So pretty quiet, uneventful Monday, but we still followed our plan and did everything correctly. So that's all we can ask for. And we are closing the balance with minus $3.68 because we had a one scratch trade and we have to pay commissions, closing off our balance at $30,070.56. So we have the FOMC this week and we have the oil report. So hopefully we get some good action this week in the markets and some better opportunities, because that can really bump up our average. We continue doing what we're doing, we will get some really nice trades, and we'll get that equity curve going up. But that's pretty much it for today, and I'll see you folks again tomorrow on Tuesday. And once again, my name is Sebastian Kunish, and I'm excited to talk to you soon. Bye for now.